Check that out. That is super clear.
Wow.
And that is instant. This is the one that I did not think would work at all. Bleh. Hey guys, welcome to Will It Slime.
Why so loud?
Oh, okay. Listen up, little brother. Welcome to Will It Slime. No? Hey guys, welcome to Will It Slime. Today on Will It Slime, we're making clear slime instantly.
Oh my gosh.
Hey guys, welcome to Will It Slime, and today we are testing instant clear slime based on other people's channels. Are you gonna take a nap? Are you gonna take a nap? Huh? The first recipe that I saw says to put a bunch of contact lens solution in a bowl. So that's what we're gonna do. You ready? I'll race you. I've already got my lid off. You're losing terribly now. Did I mention I have Madison here today to help me? Oh, she got a head start on me. Here we go. Are you trying to take your lid off? You think you can outsmart me, little girl? Ha ha ha! Your lid won't come off. Here, let me help you. I'll pull your lid off. Why won't you come off? There you go. You won. You won. Done. Done. Okay, so now that we have a bowl full of contact lens solution, the next thing we need to do is add some baking soda to it. Just go crazy. Just go crazy. Go crazier. Go crazier. Go crazier. Crazier. Just go nutty with it. Just go. Just be free with it. Oh! Oh! Not that crazy. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Whoa, ho, ho. Crazy, I said. Not insane. Not insane, Madison. Too far. Okay, so now we've got our baking soda in here. We're going to mix this up really well and get it dissolved. Hey guys, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to Will It Slime so that you never miss a new video. And be sure and hit that thumbs up button. Go crazy. Smash it. And if you do subscribe, and I hope you do, be sure to hit that notifications bell so that you never miss a new video. And share this with a friend, right? Right? I mean, and leave a comment. Am I missing anything? Leave a comment. And follow us. My camera lady is now telling me to follow us on Instagram at Will It Slime. I think I nailed everything. Now we've got our baking soda pretty well dissolved into our contact lens solution. And the next step is to just pour some clear glue into it. Madison, you want to pour the glue? We're just going to pour our glue on top. Oh my gosh, she's going nutty. Okay, that's good. Muy importante is to stir very slowly. You're going crazy, too fast. Super slow.
What was his last name?
I don't know. I was just about to say.
Don't drive like him.
I was just about to say 3 days later. So the reason you want to go super slow is because you don't want to add bubbles, folks. That's why we're making instant clear slime. Can I help you? Can I help you, tiny little child, friend, daughter of mine? No? She won't give me the spoon. Give me the spoon, child. Give me the spoon. She won't give me the spoon. Okay, let me see it for a second. Let's see how far we are.
100 years later.
And you can see it's starting to look like a slime.
That's really neat.
Let's see. Still a little runny.
Oh, that's cool.
But I got some runny here too. Gently massage it. Just gently. Gently massage slime, Madison. Okay, wait. Hey. Excuse me, camera lady. So, I don't know, our baking soda probably could have been better dissolved, but I'm gonna put it back in there and let it sit. Because I'm so tempted to just fold it together, because I know if I do that, that it will come together, but then I'm gonna get all the bubbles in it. Our instant clear slime. It's not terribly full of bubbles. We've got some.
Like clear up in like a day.
But here is our instant clear using a bowl full of contact lens solution and baking soda. It's not, if I'd have let it set for a little bit longer and without messing with it, I think it would have had even fewer bubbles in it. But still, that's not a huge amount of bubbles. Slime number 2! For our next recipe, we are going to pour this bowl full of our borax solution, ta-da, which my lovely assistant Madison is going to pour for me today. This is just a basic borax mixture, which is, what is the basic borax mixture?
1 teaspoon baking soda to 1 cup of hot water.
1 teaspoon of borax powder to 1 cup of warm water. My camera lady assures me that this is the correct measurement. So here we have, oh, she's defensive. I can't touch it. Okay, all right, so go ahead and fill up our bowl. Well, you don't have to fill it up, but you can put a lot of it in there with our borax and water solution. Okay, we're good. I'm gonna pour some clear slime. Well, clear slime would be nice, but we're gonna pour clear glue in. Don't laugh. Now, we just let it set. We're just gonna let it set. I don't think we have a copyright on that music.
Oh.
Yeah, we'll get flagged. I'm abused.
She's saying, be patient. Wait. You have to be patient with, hey, slow down there, like, yeah, look at that form in there. Man, I really wish I could pick it up.
Oh, it feels like a...
That's so cool. That's like a jelly ball for real.
Ooh, but what's happening, it's like a sack. It's like the outside is forming, but it's like a plastic sack full of glue. So the way I saw it made was actually where you just kind of let it set in there, but it's so close to making slime. I'm going to transfer it, and I'm just gonna let it set in here for a little bit and see what happens, and we'll check back in on it in just a little bit. So for this recipe, I am told in the video that I saw that the first thing we do is we add our glue into our bowl. So I'm going to put some glue in the bowl. Next thing we do is add some water. You want to add some water? Okay, just add a little bit, don't go crazy. Oh geez, oh geez. Oh, crazy. Okay, you can go, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, that's good, that's good. You can stir that fast, you don't have to stir that slow. And then some contact lens solution. I'll put that in there. We have glue, we have water, and we have contact lens solution. And that's all you need. No, I'm just kidding. Next, we have to see what our next step is. The next step, it says, is that I need another bigger bowl with warm water in it. And to that, we're going to add some baking soda. We'll just kind of eyeball the baking soda. And get that baking soda dissolved really well. Pour our glue, water, and other mixture in. Let's see, See, now you really can't see it's in there. You can't even see where the water is or where the glue is.
Mm-mm.
Bubbly stuff glue.
That's what?
Bubbly stuff is glue.
This is, I can kind of start to see some of this kind of want to come together. If I can kind of, this is actually kind of. This may work the best. Check that out. That
Dad, there's a lot more stuff.
that is super clear,
Wow.
and that is instant, and that's not sticky at all. Wow, that is our winner right there. Our winner is we mixed clear glue with water, then we added contact lens solution to it, then we took warm water and added baking soda to it, and we poured our glue mixture into it, and by far that is the best one. That is super clear. Look at that, you can't even see it. You can't even see it. It's crazy. If you know of another recipe that we didn't try, or if you knew something that we did wrong in one of these, be sure to let us know in the comments below.
Clear.
She's getting on to me because I'm putting bubbles in it. But look at that. This is the one that I did not think would work at all. And that totally worked. That is wild. Let's check on our borax one that we let sit.
There is slime all over this bowl.
So that kind of worked. It's definitely, wow, that is super clear, that's for sure. But this one is also still a little bit sticky. That's pretty clear, but it's real stringy. So our borax solution one is pretty clear, but it's almost like stretched glass. It's pretty wild. It's very stringy.
That's crazy.
Yay!
Look how wild that
Finally
Oh,
got slime.
cool.
The mixture of glue, water, contact lens solution, then put that in a mixture of water and baking soda, and I think that's our instant clear slime winner. Okay guys, thanks for watching. We will see you next time on Will It Slime. See ya!
Yeah, it's getting not so slippery.